In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to add a door access card to your iPhone. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I'm going to do firstly is to just go into my settings app on my iPhone, as you can see. So we need to firstly go into our settings app. And now when you're on your settings app, then what you're going to do is to just scroll down in here until you can see where it says wallet and Apple Pay. So click here. And in here, you should now be taken to this page right here. And you will be able to see all of the cards that you currently have connected to your Apple Wallet in here, just so you know. But for this tutorial, we're going to click where it says add a card because we're going to add a new card to our iPhone. So what I'm going to do now, as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here where it says either scan or add card, as you can see down below, which is perfect. So what you're going to do now is to actually have the card next to you. If you have it physically, just have it next to you and then click on scan or add card, and then you will be able to actually scan your door access card. And sometimes you can also click on enter card details manually, as you can see, and then you will be able to enter name and card number if you can actually find any door access card that you have that actually have a card number. Then you can also put it in here, as you can see, but it's much better in my opinion just to scan it and then it will automatically add to your iPhone.